Hey, teacher, my name is Stephanie Cuaras, and that day of today, I will tell of satisfactory experience. Here is. I decided to learn English and years and 19 when I wrote me at Sena first time. I remember that I was very scared and doubtful, but in the moment that I had happened, the level 1 of English, it was like magic to me. I had always thought it was too hard, but one day I took the initiative and I turned into my goal. Always thought it was too hard. Hey, teacher, my name is Fanny Cuares. The day of today, I will tell of a satisfactory experience. Here's into English. Here's okay. I decided to learn English and years to 2019 when I wrote me at Sena first time. I remember that I was very scared and doubtful, but in the moment that I had happened, the level 1 of English, it was like magic to me. I had always thought it was too hard, but one day I took the initiative and I turned it into my goal, and until now I follow learning. Okay, I went online and browsed through different websites where they explain topics related the language English. I listen to music and English. I watch some movies and this language, and I miss the senses. Medicines. Hey, teacher, my name is Stephanie Cuares, and that day of today, I will tell of a satisfactory experience. Okay, here is experience. Course English course before. Okay, I decide to learn English years 2019 when I wrote meet up Sena first time. I remember that I was very scared and doubtful, but in that moment that I had happened, the level 1 of English. It was like magic to me. I have always to it was to hard back was to hard back. One day I took the initiative and I told, "Hey teacher, my name is Stephanie QX. I am and hello teacher, my name is Stephanie QX. And that day of today, I will talk of a satisfactory experience. Here is this is English course before. I decided to learn English in years 2019 when I wrote meet at the Sena first time. Okay, I remember that I was very scared and doubtful, but in the moment that I had happened, the level 1 of English, it was like magic to me. I had always it was too hard, but one day I took the initiative and I turned it into my goal, and until now I found learning. I went online and browsed through different websites where they explain topics related the language English. I listen to music in English. I watch some movies in this language, and I must distance English years back. I wish I had not been so and I was different but good. Is an experience. Okay, thank you very much, teacher. Happy